This is some footage of me and my dad going to Lakeba, and we're just showing you some older footage that we did there, and fishing and working and swimming and did everything we like to do there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and get yourself some popcorn, cup of coffee, and sit down on your couch and relax and enjoy the video.
Nice Trevally. Oh, he's in rocks. Grab his tail. Yeah, dude. Yeah, boy! Smashing them.
That's 4.
Nice.
So this is our guest house that we were staying in on Rotomota's land, right in front of the beach, and a few meters away from the beach. We could cast our lines and catch a massive GT, and we got 3 meals a day. We got to pick sea grapes and find fun friends, and we got to go fishing, play footy, go fishing every single day.
Alright, hold the
Big trout.
oh, nice. Yay! Here. Woo! Woo! Yeah, dude.
Nice one, Dad.
Thanks for tailing it and putting it back in the wild.
It's okay.
What are we doing, son?
I'm collecting nama and eating it.
What's nama?
Sea grapes.
All right. Good snack while you're fishing. We'll be right back. I want to have some.
He's massive.
It's a blue. Oh.
Be careful, Dad.
Damn.
Did you bring it in a bit?
Whoa. Damn, Nelson.
Look at the colors on him lining up. Come on, buddy. Please, dude. Please. He was fucking standing in the blue. Keep going. Keep going.
Wow. Fish of a lifetime right there, man.
I'm never gonna forget that. One of the good parts about Lakeba is I made friends, my dad made friends, and we got to go fishing with them and catch a bunch of seafood and fish, and then we got to give some of it to them. This is the long time we got on video with the drone in Fiji, and the Fijian name for it is saku. Another name for the long tom is a Tylurus crocodilus. The cool thing about them is they actually don't have a stomach, and they also have massive teeth like an actual crocodile. There's great waves in Lakeba too. That's a wrap, everybody. Just don't forget to like and subscribe and share to our video